Okay, this is a video. I'm gonna pan around. This is the side of my place here, looking out towards the driveway. Finally having some nice sunshine. So this is the little fenced-in area off of my little deck where Timón can just go out. Here is the view from my patio. Check that out. It's probably around 4 o'clock. This is the sunset. Where I just came from, the sun comes up, but this is where the sun goes down. And the closest person I have next to me is this nice lady right there. So my lot is 3/4 acres. I put the house as far back on it as I could, with the porch being towards the back with this view. I'm loving every second of this. It's kind of a paradise type of thing. You know, got my mountains, and in the summers I can go to Manta, be on the Pacific. Enjoy life while you can. You never know how many days you got left. I hope I got a bunch so I can enjoy this as much as I can.